my donkey. Yes, this is my donkey. You see that he's very humble to me already. He understands that I am his master. So he will do whatever I say and stay by my side. I will take care of him and he will take care of me. This is the thing that I ask for, prosperity, to help me to ease the pressure that I bear every day when I go and I buy a bag of chicken feeding. Would be able to live a little bit more for my children.
Today, we're going to present her with a brand new spray pan. If you know the chicken industry, one of the hardest areas comes when you have to do your plucking of your chicken. And as such, there are new innovations now, a defeathering machine. And we decided to get a defeathering machine for Dion. So I'm proud today on behalf of the Prime Minister and the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining and the RADA team to present you with not just a spray pan but your own brand new defeathering machine.
I only ask for a donkey to help me with my need, to come over the hill with the chicken feeding. And I did not know that a chicken picker was in the process. So I feel very, very, very special. Hi Prime Minister, how are you doing today?
You're a happy woman today, Dion.
Very happy. Very happy,
Nice,
very
nice,
happy.
nice,
I'm smiling
nice.
from ear back to ear front.
and you're making me do the same. You're making me do the same. Satisfied with the animal that they sent?
Yes, I am satisfied. My cry. And you answered my plea.
Great. So I gather that they have given you a defeatherer for chickens, that you would have gotten a water tank and a mechanical sprayer. I'm very happy that you are happy. I'm following all your posts on social media. I want to encourage you to continue with your farming. I know it's a difficult, yes, I know it's a difficult path that you have chosen, but it can be very rewarding, and you can make a meaningful livelihood from agriculture. And so the government wants to support you in that regard, and we note the need for further development. Rural development is an important part of the government's development agenda, and we will continue to do our farm roads. We will continue to try to bring irrigation and other forms of development to your area to make your life easier and give your children a better future. So again, let me say how happy we are to be able to provide you with this assistance, and we know that you're going to make the best of it. All right?
Say thank you for prosperity in my life.
All right. God bless you.